Hey guys, welcome back to the Wandering Hen Farm. Today we're making pickled quail eggs. I've got about 30 eggs right here and I'm going to boil them for about 5 minutes. Alright, here comes the fun part. Let's peel the eggs. This is super tedious work. It takes forever because they're so tiny. I think I might invest in a quail egg peeler. Yes, that is a thing. I'll link it down in the description. Alright, and garlic. I love garlic. We love garlic at our house, so we are gonna put an entire bulb of garlic in this jar. That's gonna be probably about 8 cloves, I think. So good for boosting your immune system and just good all around. Alright, now let's add some hot peppers. Now you don't have to add hot peppers if you don't want to, but we really like spicy at our house. Also, another great thing for boosting your immune system is spicy foods. So I'm going to add 2 hot peppers to our jar of quail eggs. All right, make sure little kids don't touch the hot peppers. All right, and we're just gonna get right into it now. We're gonna add our eggs to our jar. I got the girls to help me. They really enjoy helping. So we're just gonna fill this jar all the way up with the eggs that we peeled. And then we will start adding our ingredients. So I've got about a tablespoon of salt, our 2 peppers, and then our garlic. Now, add what you like. Flavor it the way you want to. This is just our recipe and this is what we like. Make sure you squish it down just a little bit so when you pour your liquid over, it will be completely submerged. We've got 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. And now this is not going to fill it all the way up, but you don't need to put an entire jar of vinegar. That's just too much. So now we're going to add some filtered water and you just want to add it to the top until everything is completely submerged. That way everything will stay good and covered and it'll stay fresh longer. All right, ball leak-proof lids. I swear by these. These are great. Perfect for things that are just going in the refrigerator that you're not gonna can because you can shake it up because we need to shake this up and it won't leak. All right, we shook it up. Wait 24 hours before you enjoy it and enjoy for up to 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.